10 steps. Script to finished commercial. 30 years of film production compressed into one workflow. Here it is.
The complete production pipeline from script to final cut. Every stage documented, every tool named. By the end of this video, you have the exact sequence that produces Fortune 500 quality output. HillDave Labs is a Fortune 500 ad agency. The workflow behind it comes from 3 decades of commercial production. Coca-Cola, PepsiCo, Disney. The same organizational discipline that built Super Bowl spots now runs through a 10-step sequence anyone can follow. Step 1, the script arrives. Every commercial starts here, no exceptions. Step 2, storyboard artists draw each frame. Not rough sketches, specific compositions, tight shots for product inserts, overhead angles, interesting camera moves, all planned on paper before a single image generates. For a 60-second spot, that means 15 to 25 drawn frames minimum. Step 3, the storyboard gets reviewed for visual variety. Does frame 12 have a close-up on the product? Does frame 18 show the environment? Is there a hero shot at the 45-second mark? If the storyboard looks flat, the final will look flat. This stage catches 80% of problems before they become expensive. Step 4, casting begins. Who appears in each frame? What do they look like? What are they wearing? Step 5, develop everything around the cast. Imagery, locations, wardrobe. A coffee brand spot needs a specific kitchen, a specific mug, a specific talent wearing clothes that match the brand palette. All of this gets documented before generation starts. Step 6, this is where the tool inside HillDave Labs matters. It produces side profiles, front profiles, wide shots, medium shots, tight shots of each character, every angle, every distance, the same face, the same wardrobe, the same lighting direction, character consistency across 20 generated frames used to take hours of manual correction. Now it takes minutes. Step 7, take the storyboard, take the character reference images, feed them into the generation pipeline, ChatGPT image generation, Midjourney, Flux through NanoBanana Pro. The prompt engineering matters here. Specificity in lighting, specificity in lens, focal length, specificity in environment detail. Vague prompts produce vague frames. A 35mm lens at f2.8 with soft window light produces a different frame than a 24mm at f8 with overhead fluorescent. The prompt must specify. Step 8, every generated frame goes into a timeline, an animatic. Still images cut to the rhythm of the spot. Music drops in. The animatic plays back. If the pacing works with still images, it will work with motion. If it does not work now, it will not work later. Step 9, review the animatic. Does frame 14 hold too long? Does the product shot at frame 22 need to be tighter? Adjustments happen here while changes cost nothing. Step 10, the still frames become video. Each approved image gets a motion prompt, camera push, subtle movement, product rotation. The generated video clips replace the still frames in the timeline one by one. Same structure, same timing, same music, now with motion. The final render exports. A 60-second commercial that started as a script now exists as a finished deliverable. Total production time for this sequence at HillDave Labs runs 5 to 7 days. Traditional production for the same output runs 6 to 8 weeks and costs $85,000 to $750,000 depending on scope. The workflow does not skip steps. It compresses them. 10 steps. Script to storyboard, to casting to character consistency, to frame generation, to animatic, to motion, to final cut. The sequence that produces $750,000 commercial quality for $10,000 or less. The discipline comes from 30 years of production. The speed comes from the tools. HillDave Labs, $1,500 to $5,000 a month. Done for you. HillDaveLabs.com. Like and subscribe for more production breakdowns.